Did you like that transition from store to my workbench? I got this one, Black Friday sale. So let's go ahead and open this. I was looking forward to this one, guys. They had it for regular price. I think it was $18. I think it was on sale for $18 and a few days before Black Friday. And the other ones, that the older colors, they had it for like I think like $14. But then they lowered this one on Black Friday even more. So I said to myself, I'm gonna wait. And I waited and I got it, guys. So here we go. 5-pound drawer weight capacity and a 10-pound of total weight capacity. Easy open drawers with ball bearing slides. Lid remains open over 90 degrees. Rust resistant powder coated gloss finish. That's very good. And we have aluminum drawer trim for durability, magnetic drawer locking mechanism. So let's go ahead and check this one out, guys. Let me get my companion. Give me a second. All right, this is my companion, guys, with a package opener. Let me go ahead and open this right here. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's see. See, this one had a little dent right here. I was worried about it, but I said, you know what? I think it should be okay. So, here we go. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, I already see fingerprints on it. Look at that, there's fingerprints on it. You would think that they would use gloves to not, put fingerprints on the items. All right, so let's see how I can take this out. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Now, I am sure that, you guys seen many videos on these little toolboxes. I'm just recording it because I have a camera attached over my workbench, so I figured let me go ahead and record it. Let me go ahead and wipe down these fingerprints. Let's use one of these lens wipes. Uh-oh, that blinky blink, my light is about to go out. Wow, these fingerprints don't want to come off. Somebody else's nasty fingerprints. Well, I'll work on it a little bit. Has like a little scratch right there. All right, I'll work on it some more when I can. They're supposed to sell these brand new looking. I see like a little bit of scratches right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh well. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And it is magnetic. It has a magnet on the back. Has a liner. Nice. Yep, the bottom one has a liner. Let's see the top. This is what the front looks like. And it has the little liner. I like this. I know Lowe's, they have the Cobalt brand and they don't have the liner on it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Here's the bottom, what it looks like. That's funny. Do not sit, stand, or climb on this item. Do not step in or on drawers. Do not allow children to play with or near this item. This item is not a children's toy storage chest. This item is not a toy. Do not use for food contact or food storage. I know some of the other ones, that, like the one that they sell in Lowe's, they have a pink one. And I was thinking, I told my wife about it. And she said she'll think about it because she could put her makeup and stuff like that in here. All right, so let's see how easy. Put this over here. Let's see how easy it closes. I heard that the magnet will help the drawer close. Let's see. Yeah, you could hear that. There you go. Nice. All right, so let's go ahead and measure this, guys, really quick for those that want to know the length of it. So we have a little bit less than 11 inches. Okay. And you can pause the video if you want to know the exact size, guys. And about 6 inches the width, right? Yeah, about 6 inches. And about 10 7/8, I believe, something like that. Okay. Oh, the other light is about to go out. So I did that, and the height. Let's do the height, because I know inquiring minds want to know. Look at this. This doesn't even close all the way. See that right here? Well, I got it out sale, so that's all right. Doesn't even close. Okay, I'll figure it out. And the height of this is about 6 inches. Okay, cool. Cool. I see the fingerprints on this in the front here. I don't know why they do that. You know, they should be wearing gloves. So this one right here, this one is not touching. Oh well, what can you do? I'm not gonna return it. I don't know if the paint right here looks rough right here and smooth on the rest of it is smooth. The hinge, let's see, it says that when you open it, it stays, look at that, it stays open this way. The lid doesn't fall all the way back, so that's a nice good feature. And I told my wife if she gets the one, I seen other tests. They compared the US General with the Cobalt brand, and they said that the US General is much better because you see how it has the little bumpers right here. There's little bumpers, and the other one doesn't. And the little bumper feet at the bottom right here. No, it's not on this one. Here it is right here, guys. It says right there, made in Cambodia. Not a bad little toolbox, you know. This side right here is a little bit open, but you cannot get anything that's perfect in life, you know. Sometimes we nitpick. Sometimes I nitpick a lot, but I just learned to accept, because if you exchange it for another one, then the other one might have a little issue or something. So I'm keeping this baby right here. I really like these rails right here. These rail slides right here. Look at that. You know, I'm glad that they included these. It's like yeah, it smells like rubber. It smells like a rubber mat. Once you put your tools in here, it won't scratch up your surface right here. Nice hinges. This part doesn't close all the way. So real quick, guys, check it out. So I bought another one. This is my second one right here. And look at the difference. This one has the little tiny little feet there. But this one got the big one. What's up with that? And it sticks out. Yeah, it sticks out a little bit. Here you go. So what's up with that? Oh man, I bought another one because I like them so much. I just bought another one, and look at that. So there you have it. Sometimes you get something different, you know. And this one, it looked like it does close. Yeah, the corner's closing nice. This is the one that was this one is kind of lifted up right here. See that? But not this one. Okay. All right. So there you have it, guys. So you know, I've seen another video on YouTube that the guy got these right here too. So, oh well. There you go, guys. US Generals unboxing. Guys, thank you for watching. Just a quick little unboxing and you know, first impression of the. Guys, take care. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.
The world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blades that cut to the multi-tools bright, come discover the magic. We'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, so the freight's tall. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about.